think this might be the best my makeup has ever looked. Tonight, our theme is mermaid. Starting with the new Rhode Highlight Milk as my base. It is so hot and humid here. Like, I am sweating constantly. So I'm gonna use my Makiage foundation. This wears really well in the heat. I'm too lazy to get up and wet my sponge, so I'm applying it with a dry sponge right now. Using my OIS bronzer stick now, just in place for both contour and bronzer. I'm gonna use this Glow Recipe blush. This is shade Watermelon Flush. A little bit of this Tower 28 sealer. I'm really only gonna use a little bit, and I'm gonna take what's left on the sponge, drag it underneath the eye here. Just set the entire face, or else my entire face will come off. Taking this Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette, and I'm just taking all of these neutral shades, and that's just going in my crease. Before I put the shimmer down, I'm gonna take this Bone Color shadow. I'm just gonna pack that on the inner corner here. For the shimmer, I'm gonna use this Dose of Colors eyeshadow stick. Look at how this goes on the eye. This is so pretty. Just kind of putting it all over. Just using this Lancôme brown eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do a little baby wing on the outer corner. Humidity here is definitely not allowing my eyelashes to hold a curl, so I'm gonna try to use some waterproof mascara to see if that helps hold the curl at all. Thinking for tonight, I want to do a nude lip, so I'm starting with Dolce K. This is from Kylie Cosmetics, and I want to try this shade of the Jolie lip oil. I'm obsessed with these. These are so pretty. This is shade Jolie. Set with my first layer of setting spray with the Iconic London. While the skin is a little bit damp, I'm gonna go back with the blush, and I'm just reapplying on top. Last step, I'm gonna go in with a really heavy duty setting spray. This is the L'Oreal Infallible. All right, you guys, here is the final Glam. I'm honestly obsessed with it, but let me know what you guys think.